FICO Credit Score Tool Review, Usage Experience. Welcome to my review of the FICO Credit Score Tool. Links to the product and additional resources are included in the description below. In this video, I'll cover its key features, explain who it's designed for, and provide insights into how it can enhance your financial decisions. The FICO Credit Score Tool is the industry standard for credit scoring, used by over 90% of top lenders when making credit decisions. Developed by Fair Isaac Corporation, this tool is designed to give lenders a reliable assessment of a borrower's credit risk while providing consumers with the transparency needed to manage their financial health effectively. FICO scores are calculated using 5 key factors: payment history, amounts owed, length of credit history, credit mix, and new credit inquiries. What sets FICO apart is its predictive accuracy, derived from decades of financial data. The tool evaluates your credit behavior comprehensively, ensuring the score reflects your creditworthiness as accurately as possible. One of its standout features is the variety of score versions available. For example, FICO Score 8 is the most commonly used version, but industry-specific versions, like FICO Auto Score and FICO Bank Card Score, cater to specific lending needs. This level of customization ensures that your score aligns closely with the type of credit you're applying for. FICO also offers users direct access to their scores through platforms like MyFICO, allowing you to monitor your credit and identify factors impacting your score. These platforms provide detailed reports, credit monitoring, and insights into how financial actions affect your score. While it's a paid service, the value it offers in terms of precision and lender alignment makes it worthwhile for those serious about their financial goals. This tool is best suited for individuals preparing for significant financial decisions, like applying for a mortgage, auto loan, or credit card. It's also ideal for those who want to stay ahead in credit management with accurate, lender-focused insights. In conclusion, the FICO Credit Score Tool remains the gold standard for credit scoring, providing unmatched precision and reliability. If you're looking for a tool trusted by lenders and designed to help you make informed credit decisions, check out the links in the description to explore FICO today.